Thank you. I have often heard you say you love me as a friend, but I love you more than anyone. You know I can't pretend no longer. I would give you anything. I'd throw my world away, but you don't wanna hear that anymore. And you wanna hear me say, come on and lead me on. Come on and tease me all night long. Loving you, I know it's right. I'll always need you. I'll never leave you. Come on and lead me on. Tease me all night long. I'd rather be a fool with a broken heart than someone never had a part of you. You know I told you from the start exactly how I feel. Time goes on, it seems nothing's changed.